Hello everyone, this is John Bishop from System 1. I really enjoy partnering with agencies and advertisers in order to help understand and get those most impactful and emotionally resonant ads into market to ultimately carry the brand story. One of the most important executional elements is that of character. Of course, terrific ads have great protagonists. However, contrasts and interesting antagonists can help us understand and enjoy characters even more. While much of this should be done during the development phase, even slight editing can change the perception of a character and help us connect and emotionally resonate with them more. In this next spot from Nespresso called Coming Home, George Clooney essentially plays himself and is pitted against Andy Garcia, who plays his rival, in a nod to their characters from Ocean's 11. Since 2006, Clooney, an avid coffee drinker, has had a relationship with Nespresso and has played characters over those 12 years that is often pitted in a convention against an antagonist played by a famous actor. Enjoy the spot.